Hello everyone, welcome to exttoart. In this video, we will share you how to create a image using AI tools. To creating AI image, we need to go a AI tools called Leonardo AI, which is totally free. After getting sign up, you will get 150 credit for creating image. Every day you will receive 150 credit to creating image, and you need credit to create image. First of all, just go app.leonardo.ai. Okay, first of all, you need to sign up. For sign up, you can choose Google, Microsoft, Apple ID. I am going to choose Google. Then choose your Gmail ID. Leonardo AI provides you a quite simple and attractive image. Actually, Leonardo AI provides you text to image. This is Leonardo AI interface. So creating image from text, just click here, image creation. So now you need to submit a image prompt. To creating image prompt, all the time I use ChatGPT or Gravity, right? To collect image prompt, I just put a basic information to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT provide me image prompt for Leonardo AI. So just click on here and delete all the text and paste your image prompt, and now select the generation mode fast. You can select quality because it's a premium option, and then select the image size and number of image, how many of image you want. Then you can select contrast, then dynamic range, auto. Okay, I'm selecting generation mode fast, my image size and the image ratio medium, and then click the generate. It will charge 24 credit, and you can see there is 126 credit left. Every day Leonardo AI give you 150 credit. It will take a few moments to create your image. Look, image for me as I paste my image prompt. So we can see the man is sitting here. It's a middle age, so I need a young age man. So I just put young word before the man, and then let's click generate, and it will charge another 24 credit. and it will take a few moments to complete the creation. If you guys like my video and found it's informative, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Look at now, I just put young men and they suggest me these photos. You can create any kind of image from Leonardo AI. So if you need any further question, just leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and share with your friend. Bye bye.